Madalas sa pag-usapan mo, no, yung pagbabalik ng Pilipinas sa Olympic Games. Do you think that will be possible already with just this generation of players? Makakabalik na tayo sa Olympics sa basketball.
Honestly, I think it's far-fetched, no? Dito lang nga sa Asian Games, medyo we have to go over that hump, no? In winning the Asian Championship to be #1 in Asia, no?
Mabuhay teammates, itong Basketball Universe at ako si Bill Velasco. Sa kabanatang ito, nakausap ko na one-on-one si Mon Fernandez, ang unang 4-time MVP ng PBA, at sinabi niyang hindi siya makapaniwala na ipinangalan sa kanya ang tropeo para sa Finals MVP.
You have that beautiful trophy that looks like you there in the background. How did it feel, no, nung pinangalan nila yung Finals MVP trophy na Ramon Fernandez Trophy?
Akala ko nananaginip lang ako, Bill. You know? I really did not expect it when Fidel Mangugonon called me up to announce to me or asking my approval. Sabi ko, definitely. No? Am I crazy to hindi tatanggapin yung honor na yan?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
How did they go about sculpting that statuette to look like you?
I really don't exactly know how, but I guess they were going through several photos of mine in the past, no? And yan din ang in-approve ko, considering that it is the, can I say, the most famous
Yeah.
shot, the running shot, which you guys called the elegant shot. No? So, yeah.
What's it like to be able to watch a finals live and to be handing out a trophy in your name after all these years?
I definitely missed it, Bill. Medyo matagal na rin akong hindi nakapanood ng finals, which I usually watch after I retired. Hanggang finals na lang ako nanonood, especially if San Miguel, especially during the time of Junmar already, no?
Mm-hmm.
So I felt bumabalik yung memories ko, yung actions in the past, but I was glad I was able to make it really in the finals to hand over to Junmar the first award, no, of my trophy that they designed.
Nagugulat ka ba na ganyan kaganda ang kinalabasan ng career ni Junmar? Because I remember you were involved with him when he was starting out.
Hindi ako nagugulat, Bill, because I know from the very beginning that he was gonna make it, especially after he won his first MVP sa PBA. I think it was on his second year. I'm not too sure now, no? And I said then that he's going to win a truckload of MVPs and awards and records, no? So he's into it. At least the MVP nandiyan na, but he's fast catching up in the rebounds, the points, and the other categories, no? So yun, I'm not really surprised, no, because I saw his potential from the very beginning. In fact, when he was in second year college at the UC, the basketball program director of UC, si Attorney Baldomero Stenso, who was also a legal counsel of one of the legal counsels of San Miguel, called me and asked me to train him a bit for several sessions, no? Which I gladly did, and I saw already his potential.
Do you think about your place in Philippine basketball? Kasi palaging nababanggit yung pangalan mo pag kinukumpara kay Junmar, number of MVPs, and ngayon hinahabol niya yung scoring record mo. Iniisip mo ba yon?
Mm-hmm. Hindi na, Bill, although every now and then papasok talaga sa ulo mo once you read articles na kinukumpara kami ng dalawa. Para sa akin, that's enough. It's an honor already for me. At least nasasabi ko sa sarili ko na maganda pala yung nagawa ko
Wow.
as far as basketball is concerned. No?
Okay.
And I'm happy na na-recognize at nakita naman ng mga basketball fans, hindi lang ang sports writers.
Great, great. And how has basketball changed? Kasi sabi mo, ay yung mga kagaya namin na palaging nanonood ng basketball, hindi namin napapansin yung mga unti-unting pagbabago. Pero yung katulad mo na matagal kang nawala sa game, ano yung mga kinagulat mo or kinamangha mo sa bagong basketball ngayon?
Honestly, Bill, most of the fundamentals hindi naman talaga nagbago, no. Yung physical attributes na lang siguro ng mga players, they're much taller now, much stronger, no. It's basically because of the training systems din ngayon, no. Unlike before sa amin, nandun na yung weights and some physical aspects of the training, but the physicality I think it's a bit faster now. It's a bit faster now.
Sinasabi kasi nila nung panahon ninyo parang mas fluid, no? Mas maganda ang takbo ng laro. Ngayon medyo structured na kasi malalaki na yung player. Do you think it's a little too structured now?
Pareho lang naman siguro, Vince, because a basketball game is run through plays, no? Siguro yung mga set plays, yung yun lang siguro ang nagbago. May na-develop silang bagong sistema how to run the plays. But basically, as I said, it's the same naman, ano? It's really more of the physicality of the players na sa tingin ko mas nag-improve, mas malalakas sila ngayon. Considering totality of the game, Vince, no? Yung competitive level ng teams at ng mga players, kailangan magpakondisyon talaga sila ng todo-todo, no? Unlike nung panahon namin, marami sa amin, it might not be too good. Maraming naninigarilyo pa nung araw ng mga players, no? So ngayon, palagay ko naman, wala na siguro masyado. They are really taking care of their physical conditions.
Okay. Para sa iyo, no, ano pang kailangan gawin ng PBA para mas gumanda palalo at mas marami pang manood ng PBA?
Basically, the main concern as far as I'm concerned, I think, yung balance ng teams, Bill, no? Kailangan yun ang bantayan nila, yun ang asikasuhin, yun ang isolve nila, na dapat magkaroon ng balance. At ilang bang teams ngayon? 12, 10?
Yeah, 12.
At least 10 teams na dapat ang malalakas, na hindi mo talaga malalaman na kung sino ang would end up sa top 4 at least man lang, no? So I think for me that's the biggest problem or concern na dapat tuunan ng pansin ng PBA at ng mga team owners.
Okay.
But I can see the problem that is going to be hard also, considering that San Miguel and MVP group they have several teams in the league, no? So yun, I think, isa sa mga bigger problems na hindi ma-balance yung mga teams.
May dinagdag na medyo kontrobersyal si Mon Fernandez sa aming usapan. Sinabi niyang malabo makapasok sa Olympics ang Pilipinas.
Okay. Isa pang madalas sa pag-usapan mo, no, ay yung pagbabalik ng Pilipinas sa Olympic Games. Do you think that will be possible already with just this generation of players? Makakabalik na tayo sa Olympics sa basketball?
Honestly, I think it's far-fetched, no? Dito lang nga sa Asian Games, medyo we have to go over that hump, no? In winning the Asian Championship to be number 1 in Asia, no? That in itself is a tall order already, no? So, tingin ko far-fetched, no? Far-fetched.
All right. Well, thank you very much for your time, Mon. I appreciate it. Take care of yourself. God bless.
At yan ang Basketball Universe para sa araw na ito. Abangan kami tuwing Lunes at Biyernes sa YouTube, Facebook at iba pang mga social media platforms. Kaya like, share, subscribe at follow na rin. Laging tatandaan, saan man kayo at ano man ang ginagawa ninyo, magkakampi tayo. Ako si Bill Velasco at ito ang Basketball Universe.